pretty?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Wow.
So
That certainly is
great.
nice dancing.
Yeah.
What do they call that kind of dancing?
Ballet dancing.
Belly dancing, huh?
No, not belly dance. That's something else, Big Bird. This is ballet dancing. Ballet.
Well, it's very pretty.
Yep.
Sure is.
Look, she dances around like she's a little doll.
Yeah, look, and she's on point. She's
That's
on
right,
her
on her
toes.
toes, on point. Yep.
We call that on point.
Mm-hmm.
Gee,
It's a lot of practice.
I bet I could do that.
I bet you could.
Is it hard to do?
Oh, yeah.
It is?
You have to study for years, and you have to practice all the time.
That's right.
Is she pretending she's a bird or something? She's flitting around?
No. She's a sylph. Now, the
Sylph?
birds dance in a ballet called Swan Lake.
Swan Lake.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh. Gee, I have a cousin who's a swan. I bet I could dance a Swan Lake.
Look at that. That's
Isn't
just
that
great. Great.
Oh. It's a lot of practice.
Gee,
Oh, look at
that
that.
must be fun to do. What do you suppose they really do for a living?
Well, that's what they do for a living. They dance for a living.
They dance? They get paid for this?
Yeah, that's their job, Big Bird.
Gee, that'd be a great way to make a living.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it.
Oh, I could watch this all day.
I've got to go do some work, so I'm going to go sweep the arbor. I'll see you later.
Oh, you have to.
Hey, do you need some help?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Down in the room?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I suppose I have a few things I should do myself.
Have you watched all you need of this, Big Bird?
Yeah, I suppose so, Bob.
Okay. I'll turn
But,
it on.
Bob,
Yeah?
can I ask you something?
Sure.
If I was going to learn to do the dancing they were doing like that, where would a person or a bird possibly learn that kind of stuff?
Well, you'd have to go to a ballet school, Big Bird.
A ballet school?
Yeah. You know little Marcus, right?
Yeah, I know Marcus.
Well, he goes to a ballet school. You could probably ask him about it.
Little Marcus goes to a ballet school?
Sure. Why don't you ask him if you're curious about anything?
Thanks, Bob.
Okay, see you later.
Yeah. Gee, Swan Lake. I bet I could do that beautiful, being a bird by trade. Gee, I could just imagine what that would be like if I were a dancer. Like a swan. Oh, I know I'd just be beautiful at it. Oh, boy. Gee, that's what I'm gonna be. I think I'll plan to be a ballet dancer. And I'm gonna dance Swan Lake like they've never seen it before. I think I better practice. That's what they said. Practice, practice, practice. Watch this leap. Well, I don't think it looked like that on television. Let me try it again. Maybe I should go to ballet school. Oh, there's Marcus now. Hey, Marcus.
Yeah?
Hey, Marcus. Hey, could I ask you something?
Yeah?
When's the next time you happen to go to ballet school?
Wait. I have to go to ballet school right now.
Right now?
Yes.
Oh, hey, would you mind if I went with you?
Well, okay, come on.
Oh, boy. This would be great. Oh, thanks, Marcus.
Hi, Marcus. Hi, Big Bird. Where are you guys
Hi,
off to?
Susan. We're up to ballet school. See ya.
Ballet school? Big Bird?
And Jose. And we're talking about temp. And
Mr. Lavalot,
Yes?
can Big Bird dance have a ballet dance class?
Yeah,
Class?
I only want to take one class, just one lesson, enough so I can learn to dance Swan Lake. See, I already have the feathers for it.
Well, now, I don't know.
Well, I promise to be real quiet. You won't even know I'm here.
I won't.
No.
Well, all right, but be very careful and only do what you can do.
Well, sure. Good, okay?
Yes.
Oh, boy, oh, boy. Oops, sorry.
All right, everyone to the bar to review your foot positions, please.
Over here?
In the corner, Big Bird.
Okay.
There you are. Very good.
Hey, look, that's me. Hi, Big Bird. Sorry. Hey, what's your name? Jackie. And, Marcus? Hey, don't feel bad if I dance a lot better than you do, but I don't know. I was just born to dance.
All right, Marcus, will you demonstrate, please? All right, closed first. All right, ready? And first, and second, and third, and fourth, and fifth. Very nice. Now let's all try it,
I can
please.
do that.
Yes, all right, ready? Everyone together. Start and closed first. Ready? And first, and second, and third, and fourth, and fifth. Very nice. Other side, please. All right, ready? Woo. All right, ready? And first, and second, and third, and fourth, and fifth. All right, let's try that to the other side. One more time. Other side, please. Apu. Ready?
This is easy.
Closed first. Ready? And first, and second, and third, and fourth, and fifth.
Oh,
Bird, I told you not to force yourself.
I'm not forcing myself. I'm just standing on one of my big toes. Oh, boy. Ballet is hard, but I love it.
Preparation, 1, 2, and plie, and extend, and side, extend back, rond de jambe, 1, and 2, and 3, and then first to the bar, away, arm up, and stretch, and lift, and side, and plie, extend back, and side, extend front, rond de jambe back, and 2, and 3, and first, and toward the bar, and way from the bar, arm up, and back, lift, and side, all right, and releve, and up. Very nice, all right. Julian and Jose, move the bar, please. Thank you. There we are. Go in place. There we are. All right. Now we'll take chasse and hop, ya la da da. All right, ready, Jackie? All right, ready? And ya la da da, ya la da. Very nice. Swing the arms behind. That's better. Very nice. That's right, Lucy. Up, da, up higher. Good, Julie. Up, Very nice, Mom. Big bird.
And next time, I'll do it even better.
Oh, brother.
Gee, just think. When I finish this ballet lesson, I'll be able to dance Swan Lake.
All right, children, let's review the dance we worked on last class. Oh, I'm sorry, Big Bird, you weren't here last class.
Oh, that's all right. I'll just watch the others and do what they do. Hey, and kids, don't feel bad if I should finish first.
All right, ready? Let's take positions, please. Ready? And... Big Bird. Big Bird.
Whoa. I stopped spinning, but why is the room still going around? You know, for some people, ballet could be very difficult.
So Big Bird went to a ballet class with Marcus.
That's right. I saw them leaving together.
Well, it's getting late. He should be back by now.
I know.
Well, listen. It's coming from the nest.
You think he's in there dancing?
Ooh, I hope so. Come on.
Look at his feet. He's soaking them. They must really hurt.
Hi, Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird.
Whoops. Oh,
Hi.
oh, hi, people.
Hi there.
Hi, Big Bird. How you doing?
Wow. My aching arches.
Well, tell me, what did you learn in ballet class?
Well, I learned I want to be a conductor. Besides, I realized I shouldn't be in Swan Lake
Well, why?
because I can't even swim, silly. You know what?
What?
I'm going to have Marcus be the ballet dancer, and I'll conduct the orchestra. Would you mind putting that record back on there, David?
Oh, no, of course not.
Ready, Marcus? 2, 3, 4, 2. Very good. A little more,
Oh, yeah.
a little more tortoise. Yes, and how about a little Parmesan there?
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters I and M, and by the number 11. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.